Hello and welcome. I'm really happy that you are here with me today. Before we begin, I want to tell you something important. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about practicing a little every day. Even if you understand just a few sentences, you are improving. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy this lesson. This is Speako Talko English, where English is slow, simple, and easy to understand. Today, I want to share a real-life story with you. This story is about my daily life and how I learn English step by step. It shows that small habits can make a big difference. So please listen till the end. I live in a quiet town. My house is small, but it feels warm and peaceful. I live with my parents. There are only 3 of us, my father, my mother, and me. We do not have a lot of money, but we have love and respect for each other. My father is a very responsible man. He wakes up early every morning. Before the sun rises, he gets ready for work. He works long hours, but he never complains. Even when he feels tired, he smiles and says, "Stay patient." Hard work always gives results. My mother is gentle and caring. She manages the house and takes care of everyone. She prepares food with love. When I feel stressed or sad, she talks to me calmly. She always says, "Don't stop trying. You are learning something new every day." Her words give me strength. My parents believe strongly in education. They tell me that learning is the key to a better future. They encourage me to study, not just for marks, but for knowledge. I listen to them carefully because I want to make them proud one day. I go to a local school near my home. It is not very big, but it is clean and comfortable. We have bright classrooms and a small playground. There is also a library with simple books. I enjoy spending time there after classes. My teachers are kind and supportive. They explain lessons slowly and clearly. They never make fun of students for mistakes. Instead, they say, "Mistakes help you learn. Keep going." English is my favorite subject. At first, I was scared of English. I was shy and afraid to speak. But my English teacher changed my thinking. He always tells us, English becomes easy when you practice daily. He gives us small tasks. He asks us to write short sentences. He tells us to read a little every day. He encourages us to speak, even if we are not perfect. After school, I come home and rest for a short time. Then I sit at my table and complete my homework. After that, I focus on English practice. First, I read a short English paragraph. Then I write new words in my notebook. I make simple sentences using those words. I read them aloud to improve my speaking. Sometimes, I watch easy English videos. I listen carefully to pronunciation. I repeat sentences slowly. This helps me gain confidence. At night, my father listens to me speak English. I try to explain my day in simple words. If I forget something, he smiles and says, "You are doing well. Just continue." Every weekend, I plan my English practice. My plan is very simple. Read a little, write a little, speak a little, listen carefully. My dream is to speak English confidently. I want to travel and talk to people from different countries. I want to understand new cultures and ideas. I want English to be a part of my life. Some days feel difficult. Some days I feel tired or lazy. But I remind myself that progress comes from consistency. Even 1 page a day can change your future. I also dream of teaching English one day. I want to help others feel confident. I want to tell them, speak slowly. Make mistakes. Keep practicing. Now, my dear friends, I want to tell you this. If I can improve my English, you can too. Start small. Be patient with yourself. Practice every day. Read 1 page. Write 1 sentence. Speak to yourself. Listen carefully. Do not feel afraid. Do not feel shy. Mistakes are not failure. They are signs of learning. One day you will speak English with confidence. I believe in you. Thank you so much for listening. Keep learning. Keep practicing. And I'll see you in the next lesson on Speako Talko English. Take care. Bye-bye.